Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly close to my heart, and it's a beauty secret that has stood the test of time long before any serum or cream was ever invented. We're talking about the profound, transformative power of being kind to yourself. Now, you might be thinking, what does self-kindness have to do with beauty? Well, it turns out everything. Let's take a little trip back in time. Think about historical figures known for their captivating presence, people like Cleopatra or Helen of Troy. Legends don't just speak of their physical features, they describe their confidence, their grace, and their inner light. This wasn't something they bought in a bottle. It was a radiance that came from within, a deep sense of self-worth and self-care. Even in ancient philosophies, from the Greeks to the yogis in India, the concept of a balanced mind and a healthy body was seen as the pinnacle of human beauty. They understood that stress, self-criticism, and negativity wear you down, not just emotionally, but physically too. Think about it. When you're stressed, what happens? Your shoulders tense up, you might get breakouts, you don't sleep well, and dark circles appear under your eyes. Your face holds that tension. Historically, practices like meditation, spending time in nature, and engaging in joyful activities were prescribed as remedies. These weren't just for mental health. They were beauty treatments. They were, in essence, acts of self-kindness. When you're kind to yourself, you're essentially telling your body that it's safe and cherished. This reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, which is a major contributor to premature aging and skin issues. Instead, your body can focus on repair and rejuvenation. Being kind to yourself means you're more likely to nourish your body with good food, get enough restful sleep, and move in ways that feel good. These are the absolute cornerstones of lasting beauty. Look at the blue zones around the world, places where people live the longest, healthiest lives. A common thread is a low-stress lifestyle, strong community ties, and a sense of purpose. They laugh a lot, they connect with others, and they aren't caught up in a relentless cycle of judgment. As a result, they often look vibrant and youthful well into their later years. Their secret isn't a complex skincare routine. It's a life lived with less internal friction and more self-compassion. So, how do we bring this ancient wisdom into our modern lives? It starts with small, intentional acts. It's looking in the mirror and instead of listing your flaws, you find one thing to appreciate. It's allowing yourself to rest when you're tired instead of pushing through exhaustion. It's celebrating your small wins and forgiving yourself for your mistakes. It's about changing your inner dialogue from your harshest critic to your most supportive friend. This shift in mindset has a visible effect. When you feel good about yourself, you stand taller. You smile more genuinely. There's a sparkle in your eye that no amount of makeup can replicate. This is the beauty of self-kindness. It's not about changing your face. It's about letting your inner light shine through it. It's authentic, It's sustainable, and it's the most beautiful look you will ever wear. So, my challenge for you this week is to practice one small act of self-kindness each day. Let me know in the comments what you plan to do. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you next time.